You'll remember hopefully that right at the beginning of this unit I told you you'd need your times tables to be able to find the factors of numbers. Well, now we're finding the ugly big brother of the factor, the multiple, and now perhaps your times tables are even more important. If a factor is a number that you get when you perform a division, then a multiple is a number that you get when you perform a multiplication. Essentially, it's any number in a particular times table. Gasp! Golly gosh, is that easy? Yeah, if you know your times tables, you can find multiples. Example, what are the multiples of 6? Well, we can do 6 times 1, so 6. 6 times 2, so 12. 6 times 3, 18. 24. To be honest, there's no end to the number of possible answers. Times tables go on forever. Let's see if you've got it. First up, find the first 5 multiples of 3. After that, take a look at the list of numbers below. Try and pick out which ones are multiples of 4 and which are multiples of 5. Pause the video now. And the answers? Well, first of all, the first 5 multiples of 3 are just the first 5 numbers in the 3 times table. That's 3, 6, 9, 12 and 15. For the second question, some of you will have written out your 4 and 5 times tables as far as you needed, and that's a fine way to work out if something is a multiple. You'd have seen then that those in the 4 times table were these, and those in the 5 times table were these. And yes, there is some overlap. Some of you, however, will have just divided each number by 4 or 5 to see if you can get a whole answer, an integer. And that's probably the method with the most legs, as you can do it easily, even with really big numbers. Next up, we'll be looking at the LCM, the other big problem-solving quality that we're dealing with in this unit of work. But only go there if you're happy with what's happened here.